So these are mushrooms. These are lion's mane mushrooms, and they look very similar to cauliflower. Now, anyone that knows me knows I do not like mushrooms, but my partner has really encouraged me to give it a try. So I'm gonna let him explain his process.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is lightly oil the pan. Don't put too much oil because we don't want it greasy. So we add some seasoning, paprika, Himalayan salt. I found this orange pepper really good, lemon pepper. And we also use some smoke. Be careful with that, it's very strong. Some black garlic, some regular garlic, some adobo, and of course some black pepper. I do an equal amount except for that smoke. Now you start to turn them over, they're starting to brown. And now we want to apply our seasonings. Be generous with it. Now we want to mash it to get all of the waters out of it. We're going to apply some white wine. Gives it that little flavor. Let it cook in. And now I do my mixture of roasted garlic and some vegan butter. Mix that together. And then you apply that to the tops of them. And then you turn it over and you apply it to the opposite sides as well. Gives it that buttery flavor. It's nice, trust me. And now we're going to add some coconut aminos to give it color and flavor. And now we're going to plate it. Let me slice one of these open for you. Look at that. Looks just like meat. And tastes delicious. Let me try it for you because you can't taste it. Wow.
Wow. This is really good. I love it. I am a believer. Yes, if you learned something today, go ahead and hit that like. Don't forget to share this with somebody because this is great information on how to prepare lion's mane mushrooms. And don't forget to subscribe because we will be putting out videos at least once a week on cooking tips for healthy eating at Livv Younique. Bye.